phone deception. The police 過往呢6個月，應該呢一刻仲係收到，所以 present perfect 個動作而家仲係受影響，將來繼續發生。Simple past 已經完成，收到好多 over 2,000 reports of phone deception in the past 6 months. The criminal 成功地冇白水嘅，咁即係呢個要 effort successfully stole money. In some cases, they pretended to be delivering government officials, staff members from postal service, banks, and telecom company. 零時行中數詐騙 phone deception. The most common deception was that 單數嘅 criminals told 上面先冇 pass victims they had 有個包裹係 parcel 涉及需要一個接受動作嘅嘢。In criminal activities, and they asked 佢哋被問到，呢個要被動。They were asked 你要考慮主動對被動對 on a website 跟住佢哋主動落咗錢 transfer 係錢。Victims 發現 found a call found that call was fake the money 俾人偷走晒咯，記得冇 naturally. The police phone deception. The police has received over 2,000 reports of phone deception in the past 6 months. The criminals successfully stole money in some cases. They pretended to be delivery men, government officials, and staff members from postal services, banks, telecom companies. The most common deception was that the criminals told the victims they had a parcel or包裹 involved in criminal activity. Then they were asked to provide details on a website and transfer money into a bank account. Later, the victims found the call was fake and their money was all stolen. 所以來電好留意聽，好咁容易俾人呃錢，係啊，阿爸、阿爺啊，公小心，報料點啱，太多責，加油！